Hey guys, it's Candace and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so right now and join the crew. If you want to know how I did these natural looking short faux locks, then go ahead and keep watching. So for this tutorial, I used 3 packs of the Bomba Dreadlocks Faux Lock Soul by Bobbi Boss. I bought 4 packs for $35 on Amazon. They have a 6-pack deal for $45. But if you're doing short locks like me, you're not going to need that much hair. But it's up to you. As you can see, my parts are pretty non-perfect. That's because I want the more natural effect look. So the first thing you're going to do is split the dread down the middle. You're going to find the loop that you would put the crochet needle in. So if you want to use a crochet needle, you're going to pull the crochet needle through the root of your braid. You're going to grab your faux lock. You're going to twist it so that's thin and it can easily latch on to the hook. You're going to latch onto the hook, close the hook, and pull through. Because my crochet needle is messed up, I'm not using it because the hook is not matching up with the rest of it, so that's why I'm not using it. So the first thing you're going to do is split the dread down the middle. You're going to find the loop that you would put the crochet needle in, but we're not going to use crochet needle here. Grab one end of it, put your finger through one of your braids, slip the end of the dread through that hole you created, pull through, make sure it's even, tie a knot at the root so it doesn't slip out. Grab your hair and the other dread, wrap the other dread around your root 3 times. And then start wrapping it around your hair and the other dread. The tighter you wrap it around, the neater it looks. If you want it to look messier, like me, you could just start wrapping it loosely and then tight, loose, whatever combination. Once you get to the end where your hair is, you're going to tie a knot. So it stopped a little short. So now I'm going to have to cut the rest of it to where the other hairs are. So for the piece of hair that you end up cutting at the end, you're going to make sure that the end piece is still curly. Grab your dread, start in the middle, wrap a little piece around, and then wrap the rest of the dread around that little piece so it's not sticking out. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below other videos you would like to see, and like.